right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our Unreal Engine project. Let's have a look at what we went over today. Now, last time I told you what we're going to do is we're going to add some torches to our maze. You can see I started the process of doing that. Like I thought it was going to be a very long and tedious process. Let me show you exactly what I got done so far. This is just one corridor. I have a million left to go, but this is just one we got done so far. As you can see, I turned the cones sideways and placed them on the wall so they can act as some kind of wall sconce. And I put the flames right on top of them so it'll light our path walking down the corridor. Now, this happens to be one of the dead-end corridors, so there's no reason for the flames to be here, but I added it anyway just to throw the player off. He'll come inside this corridor and think he's going the right way and runs right into a dead wall. So, yeah, that's basically where we're at with that. This took about 2.5, 3 hours itself, so I know it's going to be a very long task to get the entire maze done, but it is what it is. This is what we do, so this is what we do. Yep, let me see if I can scroll down the entire wall so you can see exactly what it looks like. This is from a higher up angle. It's not going to be this close. We're not on the ground, so it'll look a lot smaller probably from the ground view. Yeah, this is how it looks. You can see this is our dead end wall here. So that's the entire length of this corridor. As you can see, we run into a dead wall here to the right. There's no escaping. So let's go back the other way so we can see. And also, this is only one side of the corridor. I'm not sure if I'm going to do both sides to make it some kind of like pathway of torches or just leave it on one side of the wall. We'll see how it goes. Like I said, this took about 2.5, 3 hours itself just to do this. So you can imagine doing the whole maze, both sides of the corridor. It'll take forever, which I have, so I'm not complaining. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.